In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up Smart Retries in Stripe. Begin by signing in to your Stripe dashboard with your account. Once you are in, look to the navigation area and go to Billing. This section contains the subscription and invoice controls related to payment collection, so it is the place where retry behavior is managed. Inside Billing, select Revenue Recovery. After that page opens, find and open the Retries tab. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the available settings appear before continuing. In this area, Stripe groups retry options by payment type, so make sure you are looking at the card payments section before changing anything. Under Card Payments, click Manage. This opens the settings panel for retry behavior on failed card charges tied to your billing activity. In that panel, look for the Smart Retries option. If it is already enabled, you can leave that setting as it is and move on to the next part. If it is not turned on, enable Smart Retries now. With Smart Retries enabled, continue to the setting that controls what happens if all retry attempts fail. Stripe gives you a follow-up action to apply after the retry schedule has been exhausted. Choose the outcome that fits your billing workflow. For example, you might select Cancel the subscription if you want service to end after unsuccessful collection attempts. You can also choose Leave the invoice past due if you prefer to keep the subscription active while the unpaid invoice remains outstanding. Take a moment to review your retry settings before leaving the screen. Confirm that Smart Retries is on, and confirm that the final action after failed retries matches the policy you want applied to these card payments. This review matters because it affects how Stripe handles unsuccessful charges and what happens next for the related subscription or invoice. If Stripe shows a Save button or prompts you to confirm the update, click Save to apply the changes. Some accounts may save the setting after you make the selection, while others may still require a final confirmation. Watch for that prompt so the update is not left unsaved. After the changes are saved, you can leave the settings page. The retry configuration you selected will now be used for failed card payments under this billing setup. If you return to the Retries tab later, you should see Smart Retries enabled, along with the fallback action you chose after all retry attempts fail. Your Stripe account is now set up to use Smart Retries for card payments with your selected failed retry outcome.